Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion Plus versus Business. We'll dive into the core differences between these two powerful plans, helping you understand which one best suits your individual or team's needs. We'll explore their unique features, administrative controls, and pricing structures, ensuring you make an informed decision for your workspace. Get ready to optimize your productivity with the right Notion plan. The Notion Plus plan is designed for individuals and smaller teams looking for powerful organization. You'll enjoy unlimited blocks, ensuring you never run out of space for your ideas. It also provides 5 guest users, making collaboration with external partners straightforward. Plus, with 30 days of version history, you have a generous window to revert to previous content, offering peace of mind for your projects. For larger organizations, Notion Business steps up with enterprise-grade features. It includes advanced security like SAML single sign-on, crucial for protecting sensitive data. You also get unlimited guest users, facilitating extensive collaboration without restrictions. Furthermore, dedicated account managers and priority support ensure your team receives prompt assistance. This plan truly empowers larger teams with comprehensive administrative controls and valuable analytics for better oversight. When considering pricing, Notion Plus is typically $10 per user per month when billed annually, offering great value for individuals and small teams. Notion Business, designed for larger organizations, is generally $20 per user per month when billed annually. Ultimately, if you're a small team or individual, Plus is likely your best fit. For larger enterprises needing advanced security, extensive collaboration, and dedicated support, Business is the clear choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.